This is a quick video on how to correctly hold a pencil, for handwriting certainly, but we're showing it to you for sketching and technical drawing. You start with your hand. Now I'm right-handed, so I'm going to show you my right hand. The first thing I'm going to be doing is taking my two little fingers and I'm going to bend them into my palm. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my middle finger and my thumb and I'm going to bring them together. You'll notice my thumb is slightly on top of my middle finger, and there we go. My index finger is still pointing out. At this point, I'm going to bring in my pencil. I'm going to lay it on there, and it's just resting. It's sitting in that little V between my thumb and my middle finger. I then put my index finger down, make a small adjustment, and that's it. When I show you this way, you can see that I've got the pencil very firmly held in between the three fingers, and my two little fingers are not playing any part. They're just tucked into my hand. And at that point, I can come down here and I can write. If I'm writing, I'm holding the pen quite close to the tip, and if I'm going to be sketching, I may hold it further away and make broader, bigger movements. With a pencil in particular, the closer you hold it to the tip, the darker the line that you can draw. If you want to do fainter lines for construction lines, you may hold it further back. That's probably too far. You've got a little group, but take your finger back a little bit like this and you've got the ability to make nice sweeping drawing lines without a tremendous amount of pressure. So just to recap, there's my hand. Two little fingers against the palm of my hand. I'm going to bring my middle finger and my thumb to touch with my thumb just slightly over the top. I'm going to bring in the pencil and I'm going to lay it in place just like that, bring in my index finger, and I'm set to go.